Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this smoky eye look using Kajal eyeliner. Yeah, you heard me right, Kajal eyeliner. So let's get right into it. I did have the makeup off camera to extend the process, but if you want to see how I drew my brows or did my foundation and powder, please check my previous post. So I've prepared my eyelid with concealer and powder. I'll be going in with my Kajal eyeliner. I love to use Kajal eyeliner to achieve a smoky eye look because of its dark depth and the long-lasting effect it gives. Also remember that the more you smudge in the Kajal, the darker your smoky eyes. So I'm patting in black eyeshadow from my Morphe palette to darken it and for easy blending. I would be blending the tip of my Kajal with transition color. Transition colors are colors that help to merge and blend colors already applied on the eyelid together. It also gives depth and definition to your already applied eyeshadow. This could be in color red, color orange, color pink, color yellow, color brown. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a color red to merge and blend my smoky eye.
First, let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I dey pray for you. Oh, in my heart today is a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like do. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me I am fair. I sing for you wanna be like do. Baby now you I go pick up, I am fair, me I am fair. But there we go. See I may not give the world to you, but I'll give you what I have. Oh baby, oh.
this is the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you would take out time to try it out. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and also drop comments down below. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
That way you did, they make me day happy.